Good morning, respected judges good morning, respected judges, teachers, and all are present here. My name is Rilin Rani. I am a student of class 9 from Pghss Government Higher Secondary School. Today I will be presenting a Khasi traditional song. The name of the song is Sumboksian. Singing is special to me because music gives me peace and connect me to people, help me to share my emotions and bring me joy. I hope you enjoy my performance. Thank you.
Sông mây hát ca kỳ đau xuôi kỳ đau soi cái băng đã kích trời kỳ rong ta kỳ na ra kỳ rong chân ta thọ xem tranh thọ nô ta Jugen oi kit ko sa tang hari kisarap tang il jugen oi kit ko akari gamen sembay sembok siaru blay dalawat syatray kirthay lam le
Alright. Now, doesn't she look beautiful in this attire?
Yeah.
Alright. So this is the paila, right? And I really like the headband over there. And did she sing well?
Yes.
Alright. All of you, I want you to shout all the best. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you say
Thank you so much.
Alright, very nice. Let's give one more round of applause for a very powerful performance. And